I just think that because we've seen as hang on goes to
Oh no, that's
it's
good.
a goal already. It is a goal already, and it is not Ankit Gupta, but also Ankit Gupta who takes the lead for SC East Bengal. This is so confusing to commentate on. Put his way back into possession, he ends up winning the throw. Ankit with a bit of a shake of the head, not too pleased with that, but I think he sort of caught DK napping a little bit at the start of the game. I mean, I would have made the excuse for DK saying that he hasn't played very recently. But hang on, it could be two. But what a foot thrown out by Van der Sar, but Mbappe smashes it in, and well, Ankit Gupta, he is in the mood today, and DK shaking his head because the save was made, but the keeper well, it pretty much flew past him. It's like Theo Hernandez. Well, that's a smashing ball forward to find Ronaldo. Well defended, but he's given it straight to Pele, and Ronaldo gets the third, and it's just not going DK's way right now. And Ankit Gupta currently 1.5 games played, 8 goals scored, 0 conceded. So that's working out pretty well. Through Cordoba there, didn't quite work out, and Ankit Gupta will now go for that cross to the back post for sure. It is Cruyff. It's tipped over the bar by Van der Sar. I think he would have wanted Cruyff to be slightly deeper at the back post there. And he's going to take the kick now with Mbappe, and he has Ronaldo crossing this time, and it's in. Well, he worked that out pretty well. I think he wanted somebody with a higher crossing stat than Mbappe, and Patrick Vieira. Sip of tea. That has been, I think, his signature celebration. And well, despite having a pretty decent tall defender marking Patrick Vieira,
almost able to break away. Unfortunately, Theo is probably the only player in that defense who can keep up.
Yeah. But might not matter at the end of it. We're now seeing he's got Ronaldo in there.
What?
Gone for the chip. What on earth is that? Sue indeed from Cristiano Ronaldo. What was that goal? That's the goal of the tournament right there. He has chipped that. He's gone for the chip. That is absurd.
Here, but right now once again.
And yes, oh my goodness, it's going to be 6. What's he going to do this time? Is he going to do a Rabona bicycle kick?
Oh,
it's just a diving header. It's just a diving header.
Like, let me get as many goal of the tournaments as I can now. Wow.
Oh, and clearly a Cristiano fan as well. DK, yeah, I think he just wants to quit right now. Because, I mean, you can see, you have to feel for him because ever since it's been 3-0, he's set up in a very attacking formation. He's getting those fullbacks forward, but yeah, he's leaving so many gaps in there, and that diving header, and that's something we saw in our game yesterday as well. And yeah, DK just looks shy. What? Oh my goodness! Was that Gullit from 30 yards out on his left foot?
Yeah.
Come on, DK, let's you get one back. You can do it. Ankit Gupta is just committing crazy amounts of players forward. I would love it if DK could get a goal in here, but Vitoli, no, I think just showing a little bit of mercy now and just going backwards.
Or maybe trying a long shot?
Or no way. No, okay, that would have been too much.
The manual run's getting triggered though. He has a lot of space here, a couple of channels to exploit, but just goes for the shot.
Even taken one of those little touches onto the chest or onto the head to lob it up and then do the bicycle kick. He just didn't quite have the elevation, but for now SC East Bengal, again you can see the difference in the defense from Adizima and DK. Adizima immediately able to close it out, but the roulette and the save. A shot across, anything in that situation would have led to what, a potential goal scoring opportunity, maybe a second ball, maybe a corner. And Adizima for now, you know he's not going to cross, but oh, that's brilliant!
Oh my god!
And it's off the post, and it's in from Pele, and that's well deserved for Adizima. That he makes that count. That was brilliant play using Cruyff over there to create that opportunity, leaving the keeper for dead. And I think you could just see him over there, like just mentally processing, almost calculating the angle, saying, "Is this shot going to go in if I shoot?" It was Ruud Gullit who ended Zidane's career. And will he go? Oh, hang on! Oh, almost finding that gap. He's got Pele up there and Vieira. He's got Mbappe making the run on the right flank. That's not to use him. Goes for the long ball to Pele, which is spectacular. Will we see another chip here? I think that might have been a good option. But Ronaldo goes for the goal. Near post. Bang, bang. That is beautiful from Ambeno 7 and SC East Bengal. And a very, very well deserved equalizer. And that legendary defense of Adizima finally breached.
Yeah, that scoop was just perfect because even after that brilliant pass, you could see Adizima had it covered. He probably blocked the shot and it would have been impossible to beat the keeper.
But most routes to them are being effectively closed down by Angano7. He looks
Oh
for the
my
ball.
God.
That's a beauty and
No.
it's wide. Ball fell and Gullit just passes it straight to his evil twin. And well, it's back though with him, and he's got Eusebio in, and he hesitated on the shot. Yep, this is it. This is the clutch play. If Adizima can make it happen, he's got Pele on the ball, plays that back, and it works out well enough. He's got Eusebio and he has to take the shot surely, and it's saved by Michael. And now goes straight for it. Will he cross that ball in?
Oh yes!
Ronaldo, he's got Gullit at the back post. It's still saved by Schmeichel, and he survives. Adizima smashes the desk in frustration. I think Gullit could have had a hat-trick in this game because he got that ball absolutely spot on. He got the time finish on the header as well.
A lot of time, and the time factor is what helps them.
Oh,
now
what a
look
ball
at this.
that is.
Beautiful. Pele is on. This could be a cross.
And yeah, it is a cross and tries to get that shot away, but the man mountain of Marquinhos is in the way and stays at 0-0. They're perfectly happy because that still means 3 points for them. The ball played in behind. That's a smashing ball in behind the defense. He's got Ronaldo in there. What a cross that is!
What?
And it's saved! He maybe went for the shot and cued the shot a little too early, so Ronaldo then took the ball while it was on the bounce with his left foot. But oh, it's a penalty! It's a penalty! It's a penalty! And just as you have the goal almost scored at one end, where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go?
Wait,
Is it
no
gonna go straight down the middle?
Oh.
Is it gonna be some direction on it? It's saved by Van der Sar! It is saved by Van der Sar, and yeah, definitely. And now SC's Bengal have a bit of space to work with. You see the ball played in behind to Mbappe. There's generally no hesitation with the crossing, and the header comes across goal. Interesting. I think they just okay. They're going for a near post ball, and it's wow! It was a back header almost from Vieira and hits the crossbar. See if Hyderabad FC have any set piece tricks up their sleeve. Just the regular ball in. It's Ronaldo. It falls to Gullit. It might still fall to Gullit, and Van der Sar is there to clean up the goal. But now, getting the rub of the green over there. Got Pele. Acres of space to find Ronaldo. He'll be searching, crying out for that cross, and the cross does come in, but well defended.
Instead of counter-attack, this time they brought it back. Ronaldo with a lot of space.
Needs to take that shot. Needs to take that shot. He
Oh,
puts it
no,
in. It's saved. How on earth is that saved? So the chances coming thick and fast now. Oh, you cannot afford to do that. We've seen so many players do that and then just get sucker punched on the counter attack. And there you see Ronaldo darting through the middle. He is going to find him, and surely this is going to be a goal. And there you go. We've seen this so many times. You cannot give the ball away from your own corner, especially when you're taking a shot. And there you go. That's pretty much it, because Hyderabad now need 2 goals to salvage the 3 points. And really, architects of their own downfall over there. Just obviously still had a lot to do finding that ball and finding the finish. Can he find something? It would be just a consolation if they manage it, and that's Ankit Gupta at his best.
Yeah.
Just flying into a tackle which he has no hope of winning, and